Dad, tell him subscribe.
Subscribe,
I
mate.
will.
I go faster, like a NASCAR. I'm about to ride down if I'm trying to crack off, like a cracker, bust it like a trap.
Boom, bang, do the wham. Oh my, sure.
Thank you. It's Fizz and Jay.
It was dead. You know the names.
It wasn't. I'm here to stay. Me. I'm here to stay.
Me, don't forget me.
We're here to stay.
We're here to stay. And we got
Another reaction for you today. Oh man.
Chalet.
Hello.
That's the weirdest intro, fam.
It was weird, man, didn't it? It was weird still.
Subscribe as well. Yeah, bro. I was wheeling it. I was waiting for you, bro.
I'm buzzing, you know.
I didn't have to say nothing. Subscribe. Fam.
I'm so sorry, guys. Well, what would you say? You're discombobulated. Sorry, Fizz would say. That's it, right?
Never say that.
Fizz, guys.
Never say
Shout out to the man there in the back. Discombobulated.
Yeah, that's not my words.
Yeah, you say something silly, bro. You see a big word in that. It's smart in that. Sometimes. Nah, anyway, though.
Waffle. Boom. Riaki. What we doing?
The man's just doing the thing still.
I follow CBM. As well. Follow CBM.
Yeah, no, joking. Yeah.
Get serious, Jamel.
Alright.
Just keep your head in the game. Just keep your head in the game.
Alright,
Yeah.
man. Fucking life serious, ain't it,
Yeah.
man? Ain't it? Fucking
But nah,
2 seconds, 2 seconds. Yeah, we're back.
Wow.
Yeah, but yeah, no, for real. Today, we're doing D Block Europe featuring Aitch. I don't know, I still don't know how to say it. Aitch, the Manchester guy. Nah, playing, nah, you see this thing, but yeah.
Get me.
Young ads and Dirtbike LB. And the
title.
UFO.
Remember?
Where? What? No.
My man.
Who? H.
Nah, Girl Me Love.
Oh,
Two things I never see is a UFO with girl me love.
Oh. Red Cafe. Oh, Girl Me Love.
Girl Me Love.
Fucking
One thing I never see is UFO.
What? Nothing to do with the tune. The worst Jamaican accent in the world, fam. The world. Aye.
Aye.
But yeah, man, yeah, we're doing D Block Europe featuring Aitch, UFO. You get it. We're gonna get into it.
Yeah.
We're buzzing, as you
Boom.
can see.
For
But
real.
guess what? It's Fizz and Jay,
You know the names.
and I'm about to press play.
You
better-
Oh man.
you gotta do
know
that.
This is live, bro. Coming out the camera for a second. Whoosh. Oh, I'm moving.
Yeah,
Mad.
man.
I just done the dumbest thing.
Let's go. And I'm about to press play. Oh my Shirley. Oh, good.
Relax.
That was messy. But fuck it. Us.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Cali weed, alcohol, I'm off my face again.
Oh, it's the tune from the end of the last thing.
I'll do you well, so well. Let's do drugs before we fucking space again. Oh my, I'm way too much. I don't know what to say. I do you well, so well. The girl bad,
Well,
I'm amazed. Pretty pink toes looking like a figure eight. I treat you well, so well. Young rich nigga really fucking pay. She a smart bastard. She be single all summer. But she a bag of footballer for the winner. Fuck the rap beat, flirty around drama. Be a street to tour bus, shit sprint like.
Oh, it's just a movie again. What are these men doing? Oh, it's Aitch.
Aitch, is it?
Yo, fam. Where's LB?
Where's LB?
Where's LB?
I just didn't even see that. I said,
Yo, where the fuck am I, blood? Yo.
Sprint like this on white to my white girl. Me and my brown king just blow trees. Open my Louis back, open your mouth, thought it full speed. I said, baby, I'ma call you man a rookie. You ever had a drug dealer in your pussy? You ever had a short call to make you tap out? Argue with my nigga, cause you fucking left the Mac out. Capping on the neck till you get stab out. I'm a slab out, bust a pot down. Can't go to pot down. Lungs full of ganja, and I told him bring the money, manana. Oh my, I'm way too much, I don't know what to say. I do well, so well. The girl bad, go through the face. Oh, I'm amazed. Pretty pink toes looking like a figure eight. I treat you well, so well. Young rich nigga, really fucking pissed.
Come on, be honest, on big titties and slim waist. What's it open in motion, don't make no mistakes.
Nah, she's not feeling, man. Not feeling.
Come kind of weird.
It's a kind of
Get me. Kind of some mellow feature and Becky.
Big titties and slim waist. What's it open in motion, don't make no mistakes. I might lick it a little to see how it tastes. Finger foot with my rollie on, I got wrist ache. Left the crib with a ripped up tee. Paid rats for her tits, got her lips done cheap. I roll with Aitch, you know the bill come free. She don't fuck with white boys, but she still fuck me. You ever had a millionaire eat your pussy? Let her flex the plain Jane or wear the boss. She pops a pill and told me fuck me till it's gusher. Asked me what my type is, I just told her I ain't force her. She told me up to mine. Got her squirting when I choke and she a baddest. I ain't beefing with your ex, the boy a party. Got about 200,000 pounds of jewelry in the taxi. Oh,
in the taxi. The pattern.
Too much, I don't know what to say. I do you well, so well. The girl bad, go through the face. Oh, I'm amazed. Pretty pink toes looking like a figure eight. I treat you well, so well. Young rich nigga, really
I'ma cover my pain with these shades. I'ma cover my eyes with Cartier. And we never go to party cause my niggas catch a body go rubber smoke with a different taste. I get you deal
Bro, lean landed down.
Wash your pussy for a year, I'm gonna wait. Buzz up in my trainers, yes, I got them from LA. My dentist 8,000 told them make my teeth straight. I'm lit, I'm high, and I swear I ate a pussy all night. And I brought this codeine for the vibe. I got a flying couple hours, she said one more time.
oh man, I'm way too much, I don't know what to say. I do you well, so well. The girl bad, go through the face. Oh, I'm amazed. Pretty pink toes looking like a figure eight. I treat you well, so well. Young rich nigga, really fucking pissed. So well, so well, so well.
That's alright.
Well, calm still.
Wasn't the best song. Or maybe I'm just used to that sound.
Alright, it was alright.
It was alright. No, it wasn't a shit song. I just.
Calm still.
Was that a banger?
Nah.
But you listened to
But
it again?
I listened to it again,
Yeah.
but it's not a banger, like, it's not a banger.
Sorry.
It's calm though.
It's a calm song.
Calm. H came in hard though.
No, Aitch went in, yeah. I think
Aitch
Aitch went in,
went
yeah.
in,
Aitch livened out for me still.
H came in hard.
H11.
The video just spanned me, fam.
No, the video made no sense. I can't lie. Like, thanks for trying to be creative, yeah,
Yeah,
but
spanning.
you can't halfway through the video to stop the tune. Oh, you seen LB? Like, you get it. Like, the man's got fucking what happened?
Some next
Yeah, man said the next
display,
line,
purple
and then
clouds
but
and
then
that.
man never explained it. Man never concluded it. Like, it's like the budget ran out. You know it was like shit. You like just wrap up the video, just wrap it up. Like, fucking, you get it. We're sick.
Yeah.
You get it. But yeah, no, the tune was alright though. But yeah, video spun me. But fucking man,
You give it though.
7.5 just because I reviewed it. Because I'd listen to it again. Like, it's not a song that I would skip like that, innit? Like, and I'll sing along to it.
Yeah.
Well. You get it? But I was just like, yeah, it just went a booming to me, innit?
I hear
You
you
get
still.
it? Yeah.
Word. 7.5, we
You stink.
really.
What, stinking, blood?
Oh, boy.
Nah, yeah, I said you stink, you said it's the way of life.
Yeah.
You heard it here first.
Stick of the shh. You get me?
Hello.
Hello.
What's that then?
Fizz X Jay.
You know the names.
That was another
Reaction
for
for
you
you
today.
today. Oh my.
Sure.
Cookies all down me when I back up. I go fast, like a NASCAR. I might butter her down if I'm trying to crack her. Like a cracker, boss it like a trapper.